Okay, my name is Jibola. I used to work operations and technology at a bookie. My background, I studied computer science in uni. But since then, I don't think I wrote a line of code since. Life happened. The most interesting aspect has to be, it's the difference in, say you drive a Benz, right? And you just drive your Benz, you drive around. And then you go to Frankfurt and you go to the factory and you see how your car is made. Do you understand? So it's that difference. You experience web pages differently. You can see some web pages that suck, and you can see why that is so. It increases your inquisitiveness about how some things work. You want to know, you want to try, you want to do. And of course, if you're in business like I am, it's one of the quickest skills I've been able to learn here is an ability to be able to quickly come up with MVPs. It was something I used to outsource. It's now something I can do by myself, so it's a big plus. The keyest thing you need as a software developer is grit. Next to that, you want to be able to be comfortable with not knowing. You have this wide field where there's so much you don't know. And what you don't know outweighs the little that you do know. And you're learning, you're taking baby steps. It's like you're a kid that is being exposed to the world for the first time. You're going to stumble, you're going to fall. So you need your grit to not give it up at any point. You need an insatiable quest to learn, because you're constantly learning every day. There's new, I make a joke with my friends about how JavaScript has like 2 million flavors and you're tossed into the candy store and you don't know which one to pick. Yeah. So you need grit, you need to be able to learn, you need to be comfortable with not knowing. Yeah, those are the 3 key things. The main project that we were working on along with the instructor was a mini tutor. And it's a clone of Twitter from start to finish. Through time, we've been able to build from just an idea to an ability to create a profile, to have a timeline, for people to sign up, for people to log in. We did it in React. We're controlling the state with Redux, Firebase for authentication, and Node for the backend. Personally, for my capstone, this is supposed to be a secret project, but unfortunately not a secret anymore. I'm trying to do a clone of Product Hunt using React, and of course, to use Redux to manage my state. Yeah. Key challenges have been, again, it's trying to relearn old skills, right? And then learn new ones. There's always that challenge. It's a learning curve. So the curve in and of itself has been very steep. But yeah, that's basically it. For me, I'm less of a challenge person as much as I just believe I don't want to sound too inspirational, but it's either fun or it's not. Do you understand? And challenges more often than not are a fun source for me. What we need is 100 NESAs, 1,000 NESAs working at the same time to prepare Nigeria for the coming winter, because winter is coming. And for want of a better expression, we're I don't want to swear, but we're in a big mess. And one of the few ways that we can wade out of it, we can disrupt the balance of power, is through technology. So yeah. This is a warning to anybody who wants to do this with their lives. Like, if you want to cut out 3 months out of your life, know that by the middle of the second month, you're going to want to give up. Don't.